They say pregnancy, it's not a disease, it's not madness. Yes. So I'm waiting be waiting with this. I am at baby. Where I am at, where I am at, where I am at, where I'm at, where I'm. Hello, my loves. Waiting be waiting be this. So I'm going to go and get my nails done. Today is maintenance day. To go and get my nails done, just to get it redone, get my toenails cleaned and polished. Um, clean and polished, and yeah, just maintenance day basically. I wanted to also get lashes done, but I never ever pulled through even to get my nails done because I get so tired and so cranky, and I just want to up and leave. So hopefully today I am able to stay to the end. Like I am able to do what I actually have in mind to do instead of just leaving halfway, because that's me. Once I get tired, I just up and leave. Just say it's okay, wrap it up. They say pregnancy, it's not a disease, it's not madness. Yes. So I'm trying to put myself together. I'm trying to get myself together. So come with me to do maintenance day. So let's go and get our pedi manicure, pedicure and manicure. So come with me to go get my nails done and my lashes too, if God wills it. So yeah, I'm going with my sister-in-law, but she went to go and get something. So when she comes, then we'll head out. So this is maintenance day, yay! So yeah, hey, this my hair wanna embarrass me. Finally committed to locking my hair after years of going back and forth. I will tell the story tomorrow. Right now I wanna sleep. But yeah, we good. My husband wishes that it was him right now carrying dreadlocks. But yeah. So today is my engagement anniversary. So this is like 1 year since my husband asked me to marry him, practically, and I ended up like this. So yeah. Oh baby, I'm feeling good, baby. Don't know if you feel it too, baby. Should make we the move, baby. I'm so hungry. I just finished eating now, but I'm so fucking hungry. I didn't think that pregnancy hunger was real, but guy, I am hungry. I'm fucking hungry. I need a plate of an actual sweet food that I like, maybe like a plate of spaghetti, a plate of fried rice, or a platter of junk. A serious platter of junk. So today is 8th November and I'm going to be 28 weeks tomorrow. The hospital is probably going to say I'm 27 weeks for the scan. I'm actually 28 weeks tomorrow. So I want to start vlogging my third trimester. I want to talk about how I actually feel this third trimester. I'm overwhelmed. I can't wait to actually do this baby girl. But still, there are a lot of things that I haven't done. I haven't gotten like the hospital requirements. I haven't been shopping for baby. In fact, I took a very long time to shopping for baby. We currently moved out of our old apartment, so that kind of ate up the money for reasonable things or other things anyway. So let's talk about 28 weeks. I just got 27 weeks. Let me tell you, I've been sleeping like a dog. I feel like my stomach is not big enough for the discomfort I feel in the night, turning like a rotisserie chicken. Yeah, I don't think I want my stomach to get any bigger, but getting bigger means baby is growing and baby is healthy. But yeah, I think I actually wanted a very big, massive baby bump. Like at this point, baby is kicking and moving like crazy. At some point, I'll be like, are you sure there are not two people inside this stomach? Because like I can feel the kids in two places. I have tried so much to feel the movement, but basically it's not possible. Like anytime I even look at my tummy, she stops moving. Like I don't even know how people that actually feel their like their stomach moving don't know what God has done for you. Like I can't even catch it on camera. Anyway, so that's that. I'm going to tell you guys about my bed plan. What I think my bed plan is going to look like, and where I am at baby, where I am at, where I am at, where I am at, where I am at baby planning. So our baby prepping, or what they call it, nesting basically. I'm supposed to do like a haul of what I got for baby, but yeah, I think I'm going to do that in the next video. I have to plan to make that video. I have to, but I want to just document my third trimester because I feel like this is the part I want to show. Like, am I anxious for labor? Actually, no, I'm not, which is weird. I'm very calm towards it. I've got a lot of things to do on my to-do. Like, I'm waiting till I'm 30 weeks to start like perennial massage. I'm gonna tell you guys what that is. Whenever I want to start at 32 weeks to start like doing those exercises, I start at 30 weeks that opens like the cervix, because we don't want tears. Yeah, well, yeah, that's just that. So I'm going to just sit down with you guys later, but I just wanted to start this vlog. So yes, welcome to third trimester with me. Yeah, I'm going to try as much as possible to keep up with what's like vlogging, because I know that I don't really do good with vlogging. So I want to start to these things I already washed and kept and clean. What I want to do is actually to finish up the hospital requirements and then get like just few things that remain on baby's list. Like her soap, her towel. I might even forget about the towel safe. I already got something that looks like a towel and this is not a towel. We are going to use that a towel. So get her soap, which is most important. I haven't gotten that, but that is just all. So yeah, welcome to my third trimester vlog.